Hey everyone, did you know that you can link your Google Calendar with a calendar you have on your teacher page? This can be a great time saver. Let's go in and take a closer look. Once I'm signed in and I'm on my teacher page and on my calendar, what my first step is I want to head over to the blue arrow. It's located right by the page title. I click on the blue arrow, then I go to this page, and then I select Edit Calendar. My next step is I'm going to go in and click on Settings, and that'll be located just above the Add Event button. So I click Settings, and that brings up this window, and we have two main options. One is to do a one-time import with my Google Calendar. I'm more interested, though, in something that's more automated. So in this case, I'm going to select Link Google Calendar. Now, once I click Link Google Calendar, what's going to happen is essentially I'll be walked through the steps. So I'm going to go in and choose the account, click Allow. My next step is I want to choose the very calendar that I want to link, and I see it. Then I click Choose Calendar, and my last step to finishing setting this up is I want to choose how I want this to work. We have three options. The first option is for push. This is where you would allow your calendar on your teacher page to update your Google Calendar. Just the opposite of that, underneath that, you have pull. So that is where you would actually allow your Google Calendar to update your teacher page calendar for you. What's cool though is you don't necessarily have to choose. You can actually allow for both calendars to update one another, and that option is available with both. It is important to note the information that is synced, that is included in this process. So what that includes is the title, date and time, location, and the description. In this case, I'm going to set this up for both. So I select both. Once I do that, I go in, I click Create Link. I like both because especially with event information, especially as updates occur, you want to make sure that all the information that is out there, that all is going to go in and match. Perfect. So I see now that I've linked the calendar successfully. I see all the events, but also, if I refresh my screen, I can see now that the public is also going to be able to see all of the events as well. Now, this isn't the only view that's available for the public. They can also access where it says Show Calendar. So they go in and they click on that, and they're provided more of this traditional calendar view.